In today's video, I'm going to show you how to move a task from one place to another in Todoist. This is incredibly handy. Maybe you quickly captured a task in your inbox and now you want to file it into the right project, or you simply put something in the wrong spot. Whatever the reason, moving a task takes just a couple of clicks. Let's dive in. Here on my Today view, I've got a task I want to relocate. The trick is to right-click on the task. Go ahead and right-click directly on it, and a handy menu pops up with all sorts of actions you can take. Now look down this menu for the option that says Move To. I'll click on that and instantly a little window appears showing all of my projects, along with a search box at the top so you can quickly find the one you want. From here it's simple. I can either scroll through my list of projects or just start typing the name of the project I'm after to filter the list down. Once I spot the right destination, I'll click on it, and just like that, my task jumps out of its old home and lands neatly in the project I chose. That's all there is to it. This little right-click trick is one of the fastest ways to keep your tasks organized, letting you capture things quickly wherever you are, and then sort them into the right projects whenever you're ready. It keeps your whole system tidy without any drag and drop fuss. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.